then the soul, it's going to be under 700 umbrellas. Please, I'll go from. And he's wearing sumptuous gold ornaments from the head to toe with the function from. There he is. There he is. There he is. The drawing behind him is called function from. It shows the heroism, militancy, the heroism in Asante. That's the ground behind him. Right behind him, the people coming behind, the guy in the casket. It's called Mswati. It's called Mswati. Mswati is like a fleet where there's water and food in case the king would give water. That is Mswati. And right there we have the gun bearers. Now, all this guns, that's why they're playing this way. The bats, they go, so the bat shows the history of all of them. They are the special bats of Otumfuo. We have the morning soldiers, we have all the people, and these are special rangers. Every single one has a strong fire. Every single one has a great way. So this is history in motion. The rock has the head and how we call bamboo tea. This particular pathway is called Krofoma. Krofoma is the one he uses for celebrating occasions. When we have funeral, there's another pathway called the leper. He will use the leper pathway. And then there's another pathway that he sings in body once. This will give you more explanation to unfold. As you can see, all the music, the king, the Asante king, is supposed to be the patron of the arts, the music. But the patron of the music, it is expected of him to respond appropriately to music. That is why he was dancing. So he is the patron of the Yomri and Jemagura. He is the patron of the songs. The wine carrier, the king's butler, the wine. And then, now, this is the second section of the procession. This is the two group. There's two group coming. You can see the lion, the still of the lion. The still of the lion coming in. This is two group. And that is the ornamented chair. And this silver casket. Then the king is riding on the power king.